What I have here is a trailer extension, or what I call just basically a hitch extension. This is for towing and trailering. So this is a great item for anyone that has a low trailer hitch. See, so this van, when I put this trailer hitch on here, it's only got about 7 to 8 inches of lift right here. So when I put a trailer on here, the actual tongue of my trailer is very low. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to figure out a way of lifting it up. And what I had found was this Receiver, I think it's called the Receiver Towing and Trailering Hitch Extender, and this has the rising up to 6 1/4 inches of rise, and the extension gives you 10.5 inches of extension out that way, and it's got a 7,500 weight capacity, and it fits a 2-inch trailer hitch. But I think you can get it in different sizes here. Let's just check this out. This actually has one of these little stabilizers, so once you put your hitch like receiver in there, you just tighten that down and it keeps the wobble down. So it's got a little anti-wobble on it. It's got 2 different holes right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you how this thing looks on here. Take that off, take off the hitch. You don't get a hitch pin with it, by the way, so you're gonna have to use your own. And right like that. That will go down in there. And put that little cotter pin on there. Now look at how high this extension is on here. So you look right here how the actual like extension now runs out and it lifts it up. So now I've got my hitch here. Now I'm a solid 10 inches from there, where normally I would be from right here. This is something I recommend for anyone that just has a low setting trailer hitch that just wants to lift it up or actually lower it down. You could flip it over and lower your trailer hitch just as easily as lifting it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Receiver, towing and trailering hitch extender. See you on the next video.